Today is Papankusa Ekadasi. This is to explain a Panchakam written by Jagadguru Bharati Tirtha Mahaswami on Lord Vishnu. It goes like this. Garuda gamana tava charana kamalamiha manasi lasatu mama nityam mama tapamapa kurudeva mama papamapa kurudeva mama tapamapa kurudeva mama papamapa kurudeva manasi lasatu. In my mind, the lotus feet of Lord Mahavishnu, let them play, let them enjoy playing blissfully in my mind, by which my tapam, the worries, the problems, all of them go away. Mama papam, the sins, those knowingly or unknowingly done by me in this janma, in this life or past lives, let them go away. By what? By the lotus feet of Lord playing in my mind. So he says, the first one, Jaladhisayana Vidhi Namuchiharana Mukha Vibudha Vinuta Pada Padma. Vibudha Vinuta Pada Padma. So these Pada Padmas, or the lotus feet, are known to whom? Known to the Namuchi. Namuchi is a Rakshasa. Namuchi is a demon. He has been killed by Indra. Vidhi is creator god. Brahma and Indra, these are the people who know about these lotus feet. It is not that everybody knows about these lotus feet. So in the second charanam, he says, Bhujagasayana Bhava Madana Janaka Mama Janana Marana Bhayahari Janana Marana Bhayahari Mama Tapamapa Kurudeva Mama Papamapa Kurudeva. Bhujagasayana, who sleeps on a serpent, big snake. So the snake symbolizes actually the time. So the Lord sleeps on the Bhujaga. He is the father of the creator and the desire. Madana, Janaka. So by doing this prayer, what will happen? Mama, my, Janana Marana Bhayahari. Janana Marana, cycle of birth and death, is the fear caused by this cycle of birth and death is going to be removed. It will be removed. In the third charana, he says, Sankha Chakradhara Dushta Daityahara Sarva Loka Sarana Mamata Pamapa Gurudeva Mama Papamapa Gurudeva. So this Lord, he is holding Sankha and Chakra. Sankha symbolizes creation, Chakra symbolizes maintenance, controlling. So Sankha Chakra Dhara, Dushta Daityahara. There are several demons who have been removed or annihilated by the Lord Vishnu. So, Dushta Daityahara Sarvaloka Sarana, he is the only refuge to whole of these worlds. Sarvaloka Sarana. So I am taking refuge in the lotus feet of such great Lord Vishnu. So next one, the fourth, he says, Aganita Guna Gana Asarana Saranada Vidalita Surari Pujala Vidalita Surari Pujala Mama Tapa Mapa Kurudeva Mama Papa Mapa Kurudeva. Aganita Gunagana. Can we explain the qualities of such a great Lord? Even Sesha, Adisesha with his 1,000 voices, 1,000 mouths can't explain it. So Aganita Gunagana, we can't count, we can't explain. It's not 1,000 Sahasranama, it is thousands, uncountable gunas, the qualities of God, which cannot be counted. Aganita Gunagana, Atulita. So the Lord's qualities can't be explained. So we have to let those qualities come and play within our mind. Finally, in the fifth one, Swami says, Bhaktavaryamiha bhuri karunaya pahi bharati tirtham pahi bharati tirtham. So Bharati Tirtha Mahaswami is saying, I am the Bhaktavarya bhuri karuniya, with a lot of karuna, lot of compassion. Pahi, save me, Bharati Tirtham. So for Bharati Tirtha Mahaswami, such rakshana is not required. He has already been surrendered. It is for the people like me. Bhaktavaryamiha bhuri karunaya pahi Bharati Tirtham pahi chitta prasadum mama tapamapa kurudeva Mama Papa Mapa Gurudeva Mama Tapa Mapa Gurudeva Mama Papa Mapa Gurudeva. Okay, today is Papankusha Ekadasi, the 11th moon phase of Asveja Masa in this Hemalambinama Samvatsara. Hope you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you very much.